Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Sab0taged. That is the topic of discussion. They must have the latest release, or well, one off from Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, a track titled With You, which should have been mixed and mastered by Sweet Music Production House. Well, they have failed to do so. If this has gone unnoticed to you, viewers and subscribers, at the 26th second of the track, there's a slight skipping sound, which, because of Vybz Kartel's impeccable vocal performance, you don't even notice, because the lyrical content is on point. The ladies them just sing, them they even realize, you know, there's something, because them want pop champagne. But truth be told, one, a lot of these producers are not truly engineers, so they don't necessarily know how to mix the track. But maybe an external source should have been found to mix the track, like Red Boom them, Spider them, somebody to mix the track. Because at this point in time, viewers and subscribers, we are on a dancehall category campaign, Grammys for 2021. But with this level of production from the producers, those in charge of bringing the beats, the teacher bring the lyrics, and it's up to the producers and engineers who bring the beat them, the rhythm them. And some would say dancehall producers, some of them are not putting out quality style production. And not a whole about the genre. Yeah, when you put out music, and especially you put up make it available for purchase on these various platforms, and then even the official version of the audio is still not mixed and mastered to a certain quality, would that make it look away upon the entire genre? It is not reflectant upon the artist. No, because it is not the artist's job to mix and master music. It is up to the engineers in the game. Big up our self-taught engineers and those who just naturally, you know, have the talent feet. And big up all who go to school for the craft the same way. But one thing we have to do, it should be a combined effort. If you have the beat but you don't know how to mix and master it, get it to the people who can mix and master it. Because as stakeholders of the industry, we all have certain responsibilities in the game. Producers cannot put out these tracks and then I go say, well, them not necessarily know what took place. That's why most people are saying this is clear sabotage. Did Sweet Music Production sabotage the teacher? I doubt that. But then again, it's almost impossible. I just doubt the fact that then when I get an audio from the teacher, imagine the teacher must have some respect. Or, you know, for say, oh, get a beat from them. The teacher have to work with them. The teacher can work with any producer he want to work with, local or international. Any. So, with that being said, you know, there must be some form of talent there. But we can't, you know what I mean, act like we don't see the fact that, yeah, the song in a mixer master. The song is not mixed or mastered to a certain quality. If I have even the other tracks, them will drop. So fans are saying, yo, clearly them have an agenda. Them don't want the teacher or dancehall music to reach a certain height. And there are those who will accept the payout or the buyout and say, alright, You have to do it that way because, you know, we get some money on the side. We kind of deal it that way. Well, that is wrong. And furthermore, that is damaging to the dancehall genre. You cannot put out music with the mixed and mastered. In a music, Vybz Kartel verses are considered gold. I want to get the verse, them, and at this I want to do. Simple job. Get a good beat, fit it for the vocals, mix and master. Put it out there so the people can get it. The job is simple. And yet still, them feel at it. So I see why fans at this moment in time, I say, watch a player, man. You know? Them upset. The fact say them put out the production. And when them put it out, and people are say, yo boy, the song mix good. They want make it look like, say, I got something happen when them upload the file or then they're not really sure. We all know not when they upload the file. What happened is that for some reason, the song was not mixed and mastered. That's the problem. But at the same time, the teacher still did deliver. Add it for the ladies. Never fail him yet. When it comes to music viewers and subscribers, the ladies know this for sure. Once Vybz Kartel drop a track for them, well, all music, you know what I mean, definitely does involve the ladies. Even for the hardcore lyrical content, you have some ladies who will live that life. Now, the ladies know this for sure. One, they'll be entertained. They will feel empowered. Pop champagne with you, you know something go. You know what I mean? Make sure you know, say, yeah, celebration settings just for having you here. They know, say, they will be amazed by the way the teacher can convey topics where probably discussed by somebody else, but not brought across in another manner. 5 people can make song about clocks, but the teacher's song about clocks just different. The creativity unique. There's no going around that. So, you know, when people say a production drop, and say the teacher name assigned to it and realize the song the mix and master, them just say, yo, remember, you know, yeah, mix and master track, the king. You can't say mix and master song and I say, watching Ray, levels dip on a level this and put this on a level this and make it run. You can't do that. That can't be your approach. Because you make it. From the teacher give you get a vocals, the authorization, you get a vocals for drop on a track. Be a part of our production. You already make it. So this should be your opportunity now to make the wider world know, say, watching it. We develop that thing. I don't know why they say things. And why this is not the mindset of those involved, or those who were involved with the production of, you know, with you. You could know how you feel, viewers and subscribers. What are your thoughts? Did the fact that the track wasn't mixed and mastered to a particular level, were you aware? Did you notice? You know, or something pointed out to me. Because at the moment, you know, I'm just thinking about the track and, you know, the lyrical content from the track. So, you know, we can captivated by that. But at the same time, we have to what? Are they for the ladies? So now to premeditate the two tough, we have to say the ladies that get something to enjoy themselves and them can dance to all the vibes to one. I like that. But don't realize, say, no, but the song was mixed and mastered. We have to wait. But then, is there an agenda at play? But them I try for it. How coincidental is that? Where some fans that say are true. Them a try something new. Something dead. Them a try go on with that thing. Viewers and subscribers, if you don't notice by now, dancehall music is gaining international popularity. I feel like the higher ups are trying to package and brand dancehall music now. So that it can be fit for export. And probably them are, you know, encourage certain topics, certain style how say go on in the music so people can feel discontented, so that when them turn them back, them can make dancehall into what they feel like it should be like. We have to be aware of the play. We should all be aware of the play, because we can know what to do. Simply put. Vice the one called Jayden Chase. And if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, there's a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on. And this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right us up on the platform. The like icon, there to drop a like on the blog for me, like what you hear. Share icon in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. Check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Yeah man, now move settings for me until the reason again me I say live, love and prosper.